Bangladesh is moving towards achieving its goals economically while maintaining the continuity of development. Vision Electronics started its journey thinking about the needs of the common people. Vision Electronics brings Vision ceiling fans to the market within reach. Keeping rhythm with the times, Vision is bringing new technology and new designs to the fan market since 2013 till date. Vision fan is made in Hobiganj Industrial Park, the only largest factory in Bangladesh. Now let's see how a Vision fan is made with advanced technology. Each part of the Vision ceiling fan is made of virgin material, so its quality remains intact. Top cover, bottom cover and rotor are made in automatic casting machine. High-quality silicone sheets are used to make rotors and stressors. As a result, even if it runs for a long time, the fan does not heat up easily and ensures cold air. The fan blades are cut on automatic riveting machines. Aluminum ink from Taiwan is used for this purpose. Long-lasting body ensures that power consumption is reduced as it does not rust easily due to low iron content. Coil winding is done in automatic winding machine. Motors made with advanced ball bearings and 100% pure copperware armature made in own factory do not burn up easily. Auto washing line uses the best powder cutting in the world, so the body of the fan stays cool. The color and durability remain the same year after year. Noise test is done beforehand for each Vision fan in a soundproof room. The balance test is then performed on a dynamic balancing test machine. This machine is only available in RFL in Bangladesh. Lifetime test is done on endurance test machine. Packaging is done in the latest auto packaging line after going through numerous such tests and process steps. This is how superior quality Vision ceiling fan is made. Vision makes fans of different variations, keeping in mind the needs of the consumers. Vision Ceiling Fan, the wind of relief.